Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet these pretty decorative flowers. They are very easy, quick to do and beginner friendly as well. You can crochet them using single color yarn or make the center part with a yarn and then work the petals with another color yarn. That all depends on your choice. Now let's start the tutorial. Now let's see what all materials we need in order to crochet these flowers. Here I have taken a 3.5 mm crochet hook, 4 ply woolen yarns in color yellow and off-white and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with our flower, first we shall make the center part. For that I will be using this yellow yarn. Make a magic ring. And into this ring work 3 chains. Now these 3 chains will be considered as the first double crochet. Now I will be working the first double crochet cluster. For that, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up the yarn over, go to the first 2 loops, again yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over and go to the first 2 loops. Since the first double crochet was a chain 3, so we'll be having 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So this is the first double crochet cluster. Now work 2 chains. Now for this flower, in total we need to work 6 double crochet clusters followed by chain 2 spaces. The first one is done. Now we shall work the second one. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull to the first 2 loops, again yarn over, insert your hook and pull to the first 2 loops. So we have done 2 double crochets, yarn over, insert your hook and pull to the first 2 loops. So in all we have 4 loops on our hook. So yarn over and go through all the 4 loops. So in this way we have worked a cluster of 3 double crochets. Now work 2 chains. So this is the pattern that we need to follow for 4 more times. That is until you have 6 double crochet clusters separated by chain 2 spaces. So continue working like this. So as you can see over here, for the first round I have worked 6 double crochet clusters followed by chain 2 spaces after each cluster, and after working the last cluster and a chain 2, I have slip stitch on top of the first cluster stitch and cut the yarn. Since the next round for the petals I will be using the cream color yarn. Now join the yarn into one of the chain 2 spaces and work 4 chains. Now going back into the same space, we'll be working 4 triple crochet. So for that, yarn over twice. So this is the first triple crochet. In similar way, I'll be working 3 more. So in total, I've worked 4 triple crochet. Now work 3 chains. And going back into the same space, work a slip stitch. So here I've worked the first petal of the flower. Now work one more slip stitch into the next chain 2 space. And the pattern repeats. That is, you'll be working 4 chains followed by 4 triple crochet. Now work 3 chains and slip stitch into the same space. So here I have worked the second petal. Now in similar way, we need to work 4 more petals. So continue with the sequence till you have in total 6 petals. So after working the last petal, I have worked a slip stitch into the first chain 2 space and cut the yarn. Also I weaved in all the loose ends. So that completes our crochet decorative flower tutorial. I hope you found this really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.